Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the exact link target. With the Type tool, highlight the words or click the object you want to become clickable. Once selected, open Window Interactive Hyperlinks so the panel is visible. This is where you create and manage links. Make sure your selection is precise because InDesign uses that selection as the link anchor. You do this now to avoid relinking later. Precise anchors prevent broken areas and make exported PDFs behave predictably. Once you have the Hyperlinks panel open and your selection active, click the panel menu or the new hyperlink icon to start. Choose the link to type, URL for web, file to attach, email for mail to, text anchor for internal or page to jump to a page, and enter the destination. Then pick appearance options and whether it should open in a new window. Set a character style if you want underlines or colors. This step defines both the how and where of navigation, so double-check the destination string. To finish, export using File Export and choose Adobe PDF Interactive. This preserves clickable links. Once exported, open the PDF in Acrobat or a browser and test every link. If a link fails, make sure you use the correct selection, confirm URL syntax, HTTP versus HTTPS, and verify whether you used absolute or relative paths for local files. If internal links fail, check text anchor names. These checks save time and prevent broken navigation in distributed files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.